Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best chlorine bleach liquids on the market, the CloroxPro Clorox Germicidal Bleach. If you're looking for a powerful disinfectant and stain remover, you're in the right place. Let's get into why this product stands out. This bleach isn't just any bleach, it's trusted by professionals for its effectiveness in disinfecting, sanitizing, and deodorizing various surfaces. It's registered with the EPA to kill over 70 pathogens, including SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. To use, simply dilute the bleach according to the instructions on the bottle. It's important to follow safety guidelines, especially when handling concentrated bleach. In conclusion, the CloroxPro Clorox Germicidal Bleach is a powerhouse when it comes to disinfection and stain removal. If you're looking for a bleach that gets the job done right the first time, this is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description below to find out more about this bleach and how it can benefit your cleaning routine. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.